Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about data compression, as well how it becomes convenient and efficient in our current world. In our modern world, there is a lot of data processed everywhere, such as through technology and social media, and even different types of information can be classified as data. This topic can be classified as convenient regards in today's aspects of life. It can be used for social media aspects such as viewing photos, answering phone calls, process of coding, and any kinds of aspects that are produced by data. In regards to various technology nowadays, this process will be useful in a lot of ways, such as speeding up the transfer of data files in social media and the files by the hardware that needed a lot of space to transfer that can help with, and that will be called data compression. What exactly is the meaning of data compression? Data compression, also known as compaction, is the process of reducing the amount of data by the use of compressing or reducing the large size of data into smaller sizes in order to save space. So one of the example of this is, imagine when you are in the grocery and you have listed a lot of items such as bread. So instead writing bread, and bread, you will just write 4 times of bread or 4 pieces of bread in order to save space. As you can see, it can help you save a lot of space, while also allowing you to add a large number of things to your list. This is how data compression works in our different scenario. Data compression will be convenient when it comes to the limitations of capacity, because in computer hardware, it can save space, speed up file transfers, and save money on storage hardware and network bandwidth with the process of compressing. Network bandwidth is the data transfer capacity of a computer network in BPS or bits per second. Imagine you need to upload a huge quantity of data to the network, but you don't have enough storage. Data compression can compress large amounts of data, allowing you to upload quicker and more easily. So that's how data compression works in uploading, and it can be also convenient and efficient for its users. Let us now proceed to the common types of data compression. There are 2 common types of data compression, which are lossy and lossless data compressions. First, we're going to discuss about the lossy compression. Lossy compression removes data that is redundant. It can be compression that will be appropriate for graphics, audio, video, and images, where the loss of some data bits has little or no effect on the illustration of the content. Though lossy compression may compress large amounts of data, but it also has the drawback of losing the original quality. So it means the complete value of the file was not preserved, or the compressed file is not the same as the original. Examples are the widely used JPEG image, MPEG video, and MP3 audio formats. The greater the compression, the smaller the file. Social media apps such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger are all known for compressing videos or images. The image will load faster, but the quality will suffer. This is why other people prefer other apps like Google Drive if a high-quality picture version is needed. Lossless compression, on the other hand, the file size is compressed, the picture quality remains the same. When a file is uncompressed, it has the potential to return to its original size without losing a single bit of data. However, it does not compress as well as lossy compression. Files that are compressed in lossless process do not lose quality. However, the compressed version can be used to recreate the original file, as if you are just cleverly encoding the bits to represent the data. Typical lossless compression examples includes JavaScript code, code for HTML, or any source codes, as well for ebooks, and everything composed of text. Although it can be used to compress images such as GIF and PNG, but it does not perform as well as lossy compression. The RLE stands for Run Length Encoding, is one of a good example of lossless data compression in simple form of algorithm. The Run Length Encoding is a simple algorithm under the branch of lossless compression, and it can able to compress images as well. Run Length Encoding is a lossless compression method that uses benefit of the data's running length of characters. This algorithm works on sequences where the same value appears many times in a row. For example, if you want to compress this text, you can represent it as D10A7. This is another example of run length encoding. In the first row, it is the position of a valued number from 0 to 9. The second row, it is the value of an uncompressed number. In the result, this is the compressed version from the starting position and its value. The value is 8, the starting position is 0, and the rest are 7 to 2, 6 to 5, and 5 to 8. This is another uncompressed and compressed version of a text in this given example. This is the uncompressed letters, which is from A to E. In the result, the compressed file will be 3A, 4B, 5C, 6D, and 7E. So basically, RLE encodes the structure of numbers or letters in a value to store only one value and its count. But this algorithm depends on the right application of compression to different file types. So data compression is important to study to maximize its efficiency and conveniency to its users. To summarize this, data compression is a process of decreasing and compressing large amounts into smaller amounts of data. The common types of data compression are lossless and lossy compression. Lossy compression is widely used in social media for images, videos, and audio samples, while lossless compression is used for data, which primarily consists of code in any text source. The data compression will be convenient as it offers for its users because it can apply it on many aspects of our life. Especially today that our modern world consists of technology and data that helps organize your work related to what you are doing. This is why in today's world, data compression was really significant. Thanks for giving your time to watch this video. I hope you learned something.